Looking for faucet repair, service and maintenance in Ardrossan? A dripping or broken faucet can waste water and lead to costly damage. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, reliable and affordable solutions to keep your plumbing in top shape. From leaky faucets to full fixture replacements, our licensed plumbers offer same-day service to fix issues quickly. Whether it's a kitchen faucet, bathroom fixture, or a commercial unit, we ensure long-term reliability with expert repairs and maintenance. In Ardrossan, plumbing problems often stem from hard water build-up and aging fixtures. Our team specialises in diagnosing and fixing these common issues, helping you avoid future breakdowns and unnecessary expenses. With trusted expertise and fair pricing, Kingstree Plumbing is your top choice for faucet repair, service and maintenance in Ardrossan.